So, hello, welcome. I was lucky enough to be up at the NEC for the NEC Motorcycle Live show at the weekend, and I had a good look at the new V85 TT Travel, which was set on their stand ahead of the UK release. And sort of breaking news today, I've actually been given a price from the guys on the stand, which was released this morning, and that is $11,990 on the road. Now that's pretty good value for money, I have to say, considering the extras that are included with it. So according to what's on the stand, you get the plastic panniers, you get a tool screen, you get the LED fog lamps, you get heated grips, and you get the MIA, which is the Bluetooth connection module for your phone. So what's different about it compared to the bike which I have? The key one is the saddle is a leathery type material, not the soft synthetic which is on ours. I suppose it is a question of choice as to which you prefer. It doesn't appear to be quite as comfortable and a little bit more slippy, but at the same time it's probably easier to clean and probably slightly more resilient as well. The colour scheme is definitely new, it's definitely different, it's probably the most striking thing on the bike, and it's known as Sabbia Namib, which is just Italian for Namibian sand. It has a 229 kilogram wet weight, which is around 206 dry, so the weight difference is just down to the extras on it. What is a key thing is it's missing a centre stand, so there certainly isn't one on the bike on the actual MOTO GUZZI stand itself. Talking to the dealers that were there though, all of their initial blurb that they received from MOTO GUZZI themselves said it would feature a centre stand, so I would say watch this space. It may appear on the final bike as it lands. If it does, that represents even better value for money, because that's a good £150–200 extra to have that put on. Everything else pretty much the same. It's got the tube tyres, it's got the 80 horsepower 853cc engine, it's got 48 miles per gallon fuel economy, and a 23 litre tank. It's a nice looking bike. It's slightly more toned down than the reds and the McDonald's yellows and reds that are floating around. A decent bike to behold. It fits a really nice segment right in the middle between the 800cc, 900cc chain drive stuff from Triumph and from BMW. For those not wanting the heavy high up sort of bulk of the bigger 1200 GSs, then it's a nice option, and still comes with the shaft drive. So I hope you enjoyed the quick look at it, and I hope to see you soon.